Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are actually doing a mood routine. Since I always, well, not always do a mood routine, but I actually think that when I uploaded my video, it couldn't go through, so I actually, because of storage, I actually had to remove it. And so anyway, that's okay because I'm actually gonna do a mood routine for you guys, and it looks like we already have energy put up. So because I'm sitting on the couch, it makes it go faster, I think. I might have accidentally pushed the button of the elevator and then I go down to number 3. But this house is so amazing. I love it. I'm keeping it. It's really cool. So, there's one thing what I forgot to do is, by the way, how do you do stuff? I mean, if I would be like a little kid, like a little toddler or a baby, I mean, a toddler can actually sleep in here and it probably get changed still. Oh, and there's one more thing I forgot. Oh no. I sort of got sidetracked, and I forgot to put like drawers so that the toddler can get dressed. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, that's okay. There is another way. There is a avatar on the phone. So if you click on the avatar, you can also change your outfit. I will show you guys what I actually look like in the outfit. So, this is my avatar outfit. It's sort of, I love this room. I don't know why, but I love this room. Anyway, sorry I get distracted. So we're going to take care of that. Also, we're going to take care of, I got the elevator back up. So I got to do this thing. We're gonna watch something. And then my favorite thing to do also is to cook. And also, can you guys hear me properly? Properly? What? Can you guys hear me? I mean, I think you guys can hear me. I might have to check on my other. I might have to check when I'm editing. So, I'm trying not to make any noise and talk so much, but I just like to. It just says let him cook. It's so funny. Oh, he has a non-good attitude. The fireplace. Sometimes I watch the fireplace. And then I think it's fun. The Santa Claus is gone. Oh my gosh. I'm okay. The Santa Claus is gone. That's what I meant to say. They took off the Santa Claus thing, the Santa Claus show, so we can watch him. Oh. Anyway, let's take it. Ooh, let's do our let's do a shower. We're gonna do a shower in our clothes because, you know. So I will do something, but it does cause me to get another, or doesn't cost me, but 60, 60 to buy another plot, to buy a new outfit plot is a lot of money, so we're just going to do this. And yes, I always do this on the clothes, and it doesn't affect my character, so. Next is the cooking. I'm excited. Oh, and by the way, I will show you the new job that we just got. So the new job is actually really cool. Let me take care of this. So I always take care of my stuff because, oh, we need to stack up. Oh no, we need to, okay, we're not gonna worry about that. We're not gonna worry about that. I was just thinking if we need to save up for the stuff. Did they? Oh, phew! They did not take it out yet. So we're going to cook. My favorite thing is the cooking situation. Like you can cook stuff, and I'm really, really good at it. I'm on level, what is it? Level 9, I'm guessing. Let me see. Level 8. I'm on level 8 and I'm almost to level 9, so I'm not there yet. But I'm getting there. We already have some stuff there saved. So we're going to do something good to fill up our stomachs. Oh, the New Year's cake is back. That's good. And also we got ham now. All we need to do is unlock steak and lobster. Because we need to get all of these unlocked. So, we're going to cook lasagna. I haven't had lasagna in a long time. So we're just going to we're just gonna have to cook this really quick. I noticed that my moods are going down, but it's okay. Now let's test lasagna to make sure that our hunger's up. Oh, by the way, I had a weird dream last night. It's like so weird that I never dreamed about. Like I dreamed about dogs and my family, and we were, surviving a ice water snow bank. I think it's called snowbank. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. But anyway, it was so weird. It was a weird dream. So while we're waiting on the lasagna to cook, I am going to do the hamburger. And because of the hamburger can do this, like you have to wait. And if you have premium, your hunger, like your moods will stay longer, but this, like starting a new one, I don't have the the mood that the Mardavazi. I can't really pronounce it, but I don't have that just yet. And I don't have the Empori yet, and I don't have the Premium yet, so I'm going to have to wait a couple weeks to get those, or a couple days. I don't know. We'll see. Hungry. I think my moods are broken. But we're going to take care. We're just going to have to stay in the kitchen. So my house looks like a Christmas Wonderland type. So yeah. We're just gonna have to just do something interesting. Like I have here. We can just read. Actually, we can read while we're sitting. That would be nice. And we're learning about that's so cool. Oh, and by the way, they have a new update job. So if you go to your phone, and then there is right by avatar, there is work. So you click on work, and then you scroll down a bit. And then, well, actually, where's the taxi? Oh, taxi driver. It's the new job that we're gonna do today. And I'll show you how to get around. Oh, and it's already done. Oh, and by the way, I'm okay without getting the passes, but we're gonna watch this. I'm just gonna have to stick for what I got for now, so I'm okay with that. So I'm taking the lasagna and placing it on the table, and then taking it and then place it, and then take this and watch this. It gives us 4, but we have 5. So if I take this and if I place it, I noticed that that these on the background is now darker, but yeah, we're not gonna worry about that. I noticed that oh, and by the way, you guys already know this one, but this is my room for when I'm alone, so I am trying to catch up to my moods. It will fix itself. Hold on. I'm just doing this really quick. I'm just trying to get this really quick. Hunger. You need to stay to 100%. This is kind of hard. This is actually a hard mode. Hard mode, pro. I call it a hard mode pro because it's actually really a hard mode. A hard mood station. I had a mood station. Okay, put that in the dishwasher, turn it on, I'm trying to catch up and it's not. Oh, by the way, my mood's just, we need to get more money so that I can get a new plot. So I can, I'm actually saving it. Saving the new plot. Okay, so it says that we're great. So now that we're done with that, we're going to do the new job today. So we're going to come out here, and then we're going to, oh, by the way, I love how I just did this trail that leads to the sitting area where you have a campfire and you have your blanket and maybe some cuddle, or like cuddle in your blanket, and maybe like you have a friend that you can talk to and stuff like that. So I have a train. It's the year train, the last year's train. And I just put it on the side of my house. And I'm also saving this for when I want to build the house again and I can use the new versions. So what I like to do to color these is I like to make it white, or I like to make it like this or something like that, like lily white. Maybe the windows can be like this, but or gray, and then the rest can be like pink, and then this can be like, actually that's like dark pink, so we're gonna just do pink or whatever that color was. Medium red. That's actually kind of cute. I like medium red. Maybe I can do like a medium red house. That would be a good idea. What? So we're just gonna have to do that one. Anyway. Let's get into our new truck. Oh. Guys. I have no idea. But that's cool. Wait. You guys! They just upgraded! Oh, sorry. Wait, let me go to vehicle. Like, get a regular vehicle. Let's see what this does. No crazy way. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. That's so awesome. Okay, we got to get some more money. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love with this. This is so cool. It looks so real. It sounds so real. We're gonna hide the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to do something. So, ah, we're going to get guys, it sounds so real. I love the new sound. So we're gonna drive to the new job. We're gonna drive to the taxi building. And we're gonna play tax. We're gonna play tax. We're gonna play taxi. I know where the taxi is. Oh! We need to slow down for a second, let the map load. I love it when it snows. Let it snow! That should be a new song. Let it snow. You see? It's the new taxi. Oh, what did I do that for? Hold on. Let me get back in. Let me get back in. Let's find a parking spot. I know where the taxi is. It's actually right next to here. Isn't this cool? This is a new taxi. So let's find a parking spot. We're gonna drive over the hill and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. I forgot the lyrics, the correct lyrics, but there you go. It's so cool. Here's the new taxi. Hello. So we're just gonna use this. We're actually going to talk to this person. Hi. Or not. But he's so cool. Oh yeah, my nose has been a little bit weird. But so the arrow, it just points to where the characters are. Guys, it just sounds so real. I love the new sound. It's really cool. And the person is actually here. We're gonna take him to Sir, it is really cold out. It's really, really cold. Are you sure? Right here. I did not know it can go all the way over here. I thought it could be like the town where it just stays in the town. But no. There you go. So, we're gonna follow the arrow It's so laggy. I just noticed that. Oh, we can just go over here on back up. I'm just so happy for this new job we got. Ooh, we just got $100. Oh no, I'm so sorry guys if it's laggy. So wait, it's up there? Okay, hold on. I think we just need to turn. Oh, and my moods are low. I know I did say that today we're gonna do our mood stage, my moods theme, but I decided to show you guys what it is. Okay. Okay. So you're going to make me do this. It's so laggy, like really laggy. But that's okay. We're good. Ah! Hold on. Let me stop really quick. Vehicle. I think it's like, I think somebody built like a bigger house and sometimes it can happen when it's really okay, so we're gonna take care of our moods really quick. Oh, excuse me. Sorry guys. And get back into a truck. I'm gonna park this really quick. And it disappears when we get out of it, so. There we go. It says. What? I don't know where that was. I just love it. Maybe I can like make a video and like build the house and then split it into a couple of videos, I guess, and maybe that can help like I did the other ones, like, yeah. So sorry guys, it's so laggy and stuff again. I know I keep repeating myself, which I do recognize that, And sometimes I don't recognize if I'm like repeating myself and stuff. So I'm going to have to wait. Stop, 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 stop. There you go. Oh, and by the way, I actually so I'm actually going to like maybe do something fun. I do not know why, like I don't know why I am like bouncy. I try to fit the truck in the garage, but the truck doesn't even fit. We will do my moods later, but I had to get off for now. And so we're done. Let me go inside. So that I can be really quiet. I keep popping up my phone. I'm sorry, guys. There you go. So I'm gonna have to end this, and see for myself if I can hear myself or not. I don't know. But if you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I'm gonna have to reset that again because I keep yawning. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. And if you like to see more like this, you can put a thumbs up, and I'm actually posting some more, so I'm trying to post some more, and I'm actually going to make a special short video so that you guys can also watch, and it will be on there, but this will be on there as well. I'm actually gonna post like a short and a video for you guys to watch. So yeah, I am very, very excited. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye again.